This is Chanangko Vlog. So we are here now at Sayingpun. Yes guys, because we are going to Sayingpun Community Center guys. But before that guys, so I will show you how to get there. So we are here now at Sayingpun Exit C, and then we will go in this way guys. Yeah, and then turn left. Yeah, this way guys. Come on, let's go. So the building is just so near here guys. Just keep on walking on this area guys. So ayan guys, ayan na po yung building. So napakalapit po guys. Napakalapit dito sa my MTR station. Anyway, this building was built in 1892. It was designed by Dan B. and Lay. It was used as a quarters for the European nursing staff of the Civil Hospital in 1846 to 1937 until the World War II. Originally, it contained only 10 bedrooms for the nurses, a matron's office, a chemical laboratory, 12 servants' quarters, and other living, dining, kitchen, office, and storage facilities. In the 1940s, the east wing was extended and 6 more arches were added to the original north facade, containing 18 arches with a pediment marking the middle and turrets at the end to form a classically proportioned structure. During an extension uphill, the building was used to accommodate staff in 1941. So it became a mental hospital, this building guys. It was turned into a mental hospital after the war. In 1947, this mental hospital was the only one of its type in the city when the population in Hong Kong was 1.5 million. The building was female blocked by the mental hospital in 1940s. It continued to function as such until the Castle Peak Mental Hospital opened in 1961, and it switched back as a day treatment center for psychiatric outpatients until 1971. So it became a tales of ghostly sightings were spread since it was abandoned in 1970s. Therefore, it is popularly known as a High Street ghost house or haunted house in High Street. This building became the haunt of curious teenagers and drug addicts who used the methadone clinic nearby before the reconstruction. Because the building remained unoccupied for 20 years from 1970s. It fell into disrepair and was badly ruined by 2 fires, which were believed to be inadvertently started by trespassers. The Hong Kong government decided in 1990s to keep the facade and rebuild a community center within. In 2001, work was finally completed. Therefore, only the facade of the historic building is restored and preserved during the construction of Sayingpun Community Complex, as the historic building is the only specimen of its kind in Hong Kong. So it is a 9-story building built on the site of the old mental hospital, of which the granite facade and arc veranda were preserved.
May time.
So since the 1970s, the building has been known as the Haunted House because of its gruesome history. It was reputedly used for execution during the Japanese occupation in World War II. It was later converted into a mental asylum, which closed in 1961 and was subsequently ravaged by fires. So ayan guys, since na kami ay nakarating dito ng maaga dahil ang pag ilaw ng mga lights dito guys is alas 6 pa ng gabi guys. So we decided na pumunta muna dyan sa may park dyan guys, kasi may katabing park po dyan. So yan,
2,000 years later.
ayan guys, so gumabi na. Tara! Let's enjoy this place guys. So let's experience the enchanting world of light and art at the Love in the Light exhibition held at the historic Sayingpun Community Complex on High Street in Sayingpun. This unique event, designed by renowned local architects, combines elements of art, architecture, and technology to transform the arches of the building into a mesmerizing display of love, light, and music. Through a captivating live performance, accompanied by a melodic soundtrack, the exhibition creates a romantic ambience that immerses visitors in a world where they can witness the stages of love, from the first encounter to the deep connection between couples. As you explore the exhibition, take the opportunity to appreciate the historical significance of this early Baroque style landmark and indulge in the captivating stories it holds. Utilizing augmented reality technology, the exhibition allows visitors to explore the premises through their mobile screens, bringing the arches and corridors to life and providing a unique perspective on the architectural marvel. This innovative approach creates an immersive experience, allowing visitors to intimately connect with the local community's heritage. So, don't miss the chance to be a part of this captivating journey. Light and romance. Visit the Love in the Light exhibition at the High Street and let yourself to be enchanted by interplay of light, music, and history.
Tagal mo iba ng kulay.
So, the Love in the Light Luminart exhibition combines art, architecture, and technology in a stunning show that takes visitors on a romantic journey through time. Running from now to May 21, 2025, this year-long exhibition sees the arc veranda of the Sayingpun Community Complex light up in a rainbow of colors every 10 minutes in evening from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. The site has a rich history in the district as an iconic landmark that was completed in 1892. The unique L shape. Granite veranda stands tall with its early Baroque detailing, including intricately carved arches and finely chiseled granite throughout. Despite being nicknamed as the High Street Haunted House due to the numerous ghostly sightings and its supposed past as a former execution hall used by the Japanese troops in the war. This unique location has been a popular spot for weddings, photo shoots over the years, and its charming design makes the perfect location for the exhibition intimate storytelling. Immerse yourself in the historic surroundings and dance between the light and the shadows, letting the music take you through the tales of love. From the first glance to a promise of forever. So come on, what are you waiting for? Come and visit this Love in the Light here in Sayingpun Community Complex.
Okay na. Okay na.
So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking video, ang aking vlog. Pagkat si Negrang Gala ay nagsasara ng pintuan. So that's it. So this is Chonang Gala Vlog at laging nagsasabi tayo po ay laging mag-iingat sa ating paggala. Bye bye and God bless everyone. Bye!